What is criminal contempt for violating a restraining order? Have you ever wondered what happens when someone ignores a restraining order? This can lead to serious legal trouble known as criminal contempt. Criminal contempt occurs when a person knowingly and intentionally disobeys a court-issued restraining order. These orders are often put in place to protect individuals from domestic violence, especially during divorce or separation. A restraining order can be temporary or final and prohibits certain actions like contacting or threatening the protected individual. If someone violates these terms, they may face criminal charges. To be charged with criminal contempt, the person must be aware that a restraining order exists against them. This means they cannot claim ignorance of the order's terms. The violation must be deliberate. This means the person must have knowingly disobeyed the order. For example, if someone reaches out to the protected person or sends messages through a third party, they could be charged. The legal consequences can be severe. Criminal contempt is treated as a criminal offense, which means fines, jail time, or other penalties may apply. The standard of proof in these cases is beyond a reasonable doubt, which is stricter than in civil cases. Different jurisdictions may classify violations in various ways. Some may treat minor violations as misdemeanors, while more serious actions, like threats or violence, could lead to felony charges. In the context of divorce and separation, restraining orders are often issued to protect victims of domestic violence. Violating these orders can complicate divorce proceedings and custody arrangements. If someone is found guilty of violating a restraining order, the court may impose jail time, especially for repeated offenses. Additionally, such violations can negatively impact custody decisions, often to the detriment of the violator. If you are accused of violating a restraining order, having legal representation is essential. Some violations may occur due to misunderstandings about the order's terms. Law enforcement typically investigates allegations of violations and may refer cases to prosecutors for criminal charges. Understanding criminal contempt for violating restraining orders is important for anyone involved in divorce or separation cases where domestic violence is a concern. Respecting court orders is vital to protect all parties involved and to uphold the legal process.